Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app in Adobe XD. First, launch Adobe XD and choose a new artboard, perhaps for an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is 430 by 932 pixels. Next, explore the available UI kits to jumpstart your design. These provide ready-to-use components. Remember to keep your workspace tidy by grouping related elements and naming your layers clearly. This foundational setup is crucial for an efficient workflow as you build your app's interface. Now, let's dive into designing the actual interface. Drag and drop various UI elements such as buttons, text fields, and image placeholders onto your artboards. To ensure a cohesive look, define and apply character styles for your text and color styles for your palette. A smart tip is to create components for elements you'll use multiple times, like navigation bars or cards, saving you significant time and effort. With your design in place, it's time to bring it to life through prototyping. Switch to prototype mode and link your artboards to show how users will navigate through your app. You can add various interactions, such as a tap on a button leading to a new screen or even voice commands. Don't forget to add engaging transitions between screens. A subtle slide or dissolve can greatly enhance the user experience. Finally, it's time to test and share your creation. Use the Adobe XD mobile app to preview your prototype directly on a device, ensuring it feels right in a real-world context. Once satisfied, export your design assets like icons and images for your developers in formats such as PNG or SVG. This ensures they have everything needed for implementation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.